Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you are all fine. Okay. In previous class, what we have discussed about? Sense organs. Yes or no? Again, up to in that sense organ, we have discussed briefly up to our eyes. Yes or no? Up to there we have completed. In our eyes, in that topic, I have given some words to learn. Yes or no? I have underlined some words. No? In page number 12, I have underlined some words to by heart that spellings. Yes or no? If you by heart that spelling, you can write very easily without making any mistakes in question answers or else in fill in the blanks also. Yes or no? Up to there we have completed. No. Now next, what is our topic? Our ears. What is our topic? Our ears. In previous classes we have discussed that we have how many sense organs? 5 sense organs. Yes or no? What are they? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Yes or no? And briefly we have discussed that one. Now we are moving on to ears. Okay children, tell me how many ears generally we have? How many years? I am not asking your age. How many years? We have 2 years. We have 2 years. No. Anybody has 4 years? Anybody has 1 year? No. We have 2 years. What is the purpose of the ears? Tell me, is there any purpose with the ears? Is there? What is the purpose? To hear or to listen. Yes or no? Without ears we can hear. Now I am teaching you that lesson. How you are receiving? You are receiving from the you are receiving from the ears only, no? Not from your eyes, not from your tongue. Yes or no? Our ears plays a crucial role in how we communicate those around us. Now, our ears plays a crucial role. Yes or no? We have to communicate with others. No. What the others is speaking with us, we can know by only with our ears. They are responsible for ears and sense of balance. Yes or no? They are responsible for ears. When your ears are not functioning properly, you can hear, you cannot hear. So that we have to take utmost care to our ears. We have to take very much care. Yes or no? In ears we have 3. Inside, now we are seeing all the ear. This is visible. But inside 2 ears also is there. One is outer ear. Second one, middle ear. Third one, inner ear. Outer ear, middle ear, inner ear. These are the 3 types of ears. Yes or no? Inside the ear is there. We cannot see. We can see only the outer ear, which is visible to us. When what we are listening or what we are hearing, this outer ear will catch first. Okay, this outer ear will catches the sound waves and sent into our inside to our ears. Now I am teaching the lesson. That my voice and what I am teaching, first which ear will catches? The outer ear catches the sound waves and it will slowly pass into our ears and then to our brain. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. Now after receiving this sound, the sound waves catches first inner ear. This the first outer ear. Then next middle ear. This middle ear is situated between the eardrums and eardrums and oval window. It is located. It is the part between the eardrum and oval window. Means you have all seen speakers, no? In our homes, the speakers are there. How the speakers will be in this oval shape, no? Like this. Yes or no? Here one small black color one is there. That is the drum. Yes or no? With this drum, we can hear the sound. We can hear the songs or DJ songs, anything else. It is in the shape. This is the shape of the speaker. No, here one glass will come. Likewise, in our ear also, one eardrum is there. Okay. With that eardrum only we can hear. Okay. Songs or anything, lectures, anything. With that eardrum only we can listen. This eardrum is in the middle ear. Middle ear. Okay. Then this eardrum receives the sound and slowly it will get into inner ear. This inner ear, what the inner ear will do, no? This changes the sound waves into electrical signals. For example, when your mobile phone is ringing. Yes or no? How that this is the sound of mobile phone, this is the sound of television sound or calling bell sound. How it will know? By our inner ear. It changes the sound into electrical signals. Okay, it changes the sound into this is the we can sense this is the sound of mobile phone. This is the sound of television by our inner ear. Okay, if we use more sound, if we hear the songs with high volume, no, what happens in the middle ear? Our eardrum is there, no, it will get affected. It will get affected, and moreover, what will happen? We will get earaches. Okay, we will get earaches, and also sometimes we will get headache also. Yes or no? So that, my dear children, you should not hear more volume. Okay, and moreover, you should not take the sharp things inside into your ears. Yes or no? Something anything is itching on your ears, what you will do? You will take some slate pencil or some sticks, any other sticks or safety pins or hairpin, and you are doing like this. No, you should not do like that. If you do like that, no, your ear will get affected, and gradually what will happen? You cannot hear anything. Yes or no? You should hear that ear guide. Some are keeping, some of them are not listening, but they will use another one earphone. You should use, so that you have to protect. You should not put any sharp things. So in most of them, what you will do? For cleaning your ears, what will you use? You will use safety pins, no? Yes or no? And here, hairpins also, no. You should not use. You should use the earbuds to clean our ears. Okay, we should clean our ears. In week we should clean our ears once or twice. Why? Because in our ears that yellow color one pus is coming, no. So that we have to clear. If we clear the ear, no, we can hear the sound very clearly. Yes or no? And in monthly we have to pour some hydrogen peroxide into our ears. And what this hydrogen peroxide will do? What will do? In all your at our homes, we will have that liquid, no. When your ear is struck, or we are feeling that inside the ear something is gone into your ears. What will our parents will do? That solution will they will pour that solution into our ears. What will happen after some time? We will while pouring that solution, we will close our ear. No, after 2 or 3 seconds afterwards, we will do like this. What are the dust is inside the ear? It will come outside. No, yes or no? Everyone will do, no. We have to pour that one, and after that we have to clean our ears with what? With safety pins, hairpins, or matchstick. Some of them will use matchsticks, and moreover some of them will use slate pencils also. Yes or no? We should not use. We should clean our ears with only earbuds. Okay, we should only clean with our ears earbuds, which we'll get from our medical shops. Yes or no? We should not use that one. If you are use that sticks or safety pins, no, our ear will get spoiled. Okay? Like these are the precautions how to protect our ears. And while you are seeing the mobile phone, while you are watching the movie in the mobile phone, if you keep earphones, no, you should not use high volume. You should use only less volume. Why? Because directly it is entering, the sound is directly entering into our ears, no. So that we have to use less volume when we are using earphones. Okay. If not, your eardrum will get affected and you cannot hear anything. Okay. Now children, all of you take out your textbook. Now I hope you are all understood how to protect the ear and how many ears are there. 3 parts. In the ear we have 3 parts. What is that one? Outer ear, middle ear, inner ear. Okay. Outer ear means which can be see. This ear catches the sound signals. Okay. This in the middle ear, what is there? Eardrum. Eardrum. And eardrum and it is situated between the eardrum and oval window. In oval window. This is oval window. Okay. Now inner ear. Inner ear transmits the sound into electrical signals. Okay. Now all of you take out your textbook and open page number 12. Okay. Now see. Up to here we have completed, no? Now here all of you put your finger here. Okay. You have to, where I am reading, you should put your finger there. Okay. See. WEVHEAR. Here DIFFERENT. Different. SOUNDS. Sounds. WITH. With OUR. Our EARS. Ears. We hear different sounds with our ears. Okay. With our ears only, no, we can hear different kinds of sound like music, some bad sounds, and some movies. Anything we communicate, when we communicate with each other, we can hear through our ears only, not through our eyes. Okay. HOW, how. CAN, can. WEBTAKE, take. CARE, cape. Off, OUR, EARS, ears. How can we take care of our ears? Okay, they have given 2 precautions. I have told you many. Yes or no? WEVSHOULD, should. NEVER, never. LISTEN, listen. TO, to. MUSIC, music. AT, at. AHIGH, high. VOLUME, volume. We should never listen to music at a high volume. Next sentence. WEVSHOULD, should. We should. NEVER, never. PUT, put. N Y. Any. S H A R P. Sharp. O B J E C T. Object. I N S I D E. Inside. O U R E A R S. Ears. We should never put any sharp object inside our ears. Okay. Now you all understood? What is the use? How many? Now tell me, how many ears do we have? We have 2 ears. Okay. What is the use of the ears? To listen different kinds of sound, or to listen everything, we can say. Okay. Now all of you take the pencil and underline the hard words. You have to by heart that hard words. Okay. All of you take your pencil and underline the hard words. First one, different. D I F F E R N T. Different. Second one, listen. L I S T E N. Listen. Next, music. 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 Next, volume. 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 Okay. Now, next one. All of you have to underline with pencil and you have to by heart. Next, sharp. SHRP. Sharp. Next one, object. 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 Next one, inside. 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 Okay. You have to underline with pencil these words and you have to read the textbook once or twice. Okay. You have to read this one. While reading only you will get spellings and reading practice also. Okay. What is this one? Different. Once we will read once again. All of you look at the board. DIFFERENT. 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 Next. LISTEN. 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 Next one. MUSIC. 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 VOLUME. 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 SHARP. 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 OBJECT. 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 Next one. INSIDE. 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 Okay. You have to practice these words for 5 times and read the textbook. That is only 3 or 4 lines. You have to read once or twice. Okay, children. This is your home task. Okay. You do properly. We will meet in the next class. Thank you all.